Hello again. Off tomorrow, so it's my penultimate day before I set off on the ferry tomorrow. Probably won't actually be walking until probably Saturday morning because I've got to get over to Spain, get over to Logroño and then start from there. In the meantime, I thought, well, I'll give you a quick rundown of all my gear. So I've got it all laid out for you and I'll run through it with you. So this is it basically in its entirety. Pretty much speaks for itself really, a lot of it, but it's very simple and basic and affords me everything I require for the next 5 to 6 weeks on the trail and beyond if it sort of came to that. So obviously big stick for walking, my walking sandals and some spare insoles because it's always nice to be able to change them out every now and again. I've got a just like a wind cheater jacket. It's slightly waterproof as well for those sort of cooler mornings and evenings. My Hunchback of Notre Dame raincoat, which goes over everything, and for a bit of warmth, a shemag and a small pair of fingerless mitts and one of those like head over torque things. Ideal, rather than a hat, you can use it as a scarf when it's a bit chilly, and when it's hot you can sort of just drape it over your head like a hood, and I found that very comfortable last time I was walking rather than a hat. In the bag there, that's my spare clothes, which is basically 2 pairs of socks, a pair of shorts, a t-shirt and like a vest. And then I've got my wash kit, which is just a small bit of shampoo, some toothpaste, toothbrush, and my medication because I have to take a few pills. Little first aid kit, a bit of ankle support should I need it, 1 litre water bottle, soya water filter, some little electrical stuff, suntan lotion, that's full of clothes pegs because often they're all used up, and when you do your laundry it's nice to have them to hang up properly. Just in case of emergencies, earplugs for sleeping, head torch, and that's like a little bag, and of course a corkscrew. In this bag here I've got a bivvy bag, waterproof bivvy bag, and this is a waterproof tarp shelter with a couple of tent pegs and some bungees and a bit of string, just in case I decide to have a night out. The bag it all goes in, and a bum bag, which is basically for wallet, phone, passport, credential, etc. And that's pretty much it. What I neglected to mention was the old flip-flops that go on after a day's walking, because I'm wearing them, but they'll get shoved in there as well. Well, there it is packed in its entirety. Not much to it. Some people might say it's heavy, some people might say it's light, and it all depends on the individual and how much money you want to spend on stuff, or how much stuff you want to carry or don't want to carry. Just as an extra thing, this whole section here is completely empty, so I can fill it up with food and stuff like that along the way. Well, you get the gist.